Exercise number 1, barbell full squat. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Place the barbell across your upper back and stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees to lower into a deep squat. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Push through your heels to stand back up. Exercise number 2, dumbbell leg curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie face down on a bench with a dumbbell held between your feet. Bend your knees and curl the weight toward your glutes. Squeeze your hamstrings at the top, then slowly lower the weight back down. Exercise number 3, kettlebell Arnold press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold kettlebells in front of your shoulders with palms facing your body. As you press the weights overhead, rotate your palms outward. Extend your arms fully at the top, then reverse the motion back to the starting position. Exercise number 4, leg press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit on the leg press machine with feet shoulder width apart on the platform. Lower the weight by bending your knees until they form about a 90-degree angle. Push the platform away through your heels to return to the start. Exercise number 5, lever standing calf raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand on the machine platform with the pads resting on your shoulders. Raise your heels to lift your body onto your toes. Pause briefly at the top to squeeze your calves, then lower your heels slowly. Exercise number 6, walking lunges. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees bend at about 90 degrees. Push through your front heel and step forward with the other leg. Continue alternating legs while moving forward.